Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can delete a private server on Roblox. So go to Roblox and go to the more section. Then you're going to go to the inventory section. Go to private servers, go to my private servers, select the private server you want to remove, select it, and you're going to select this icon right here, create private server, and then here on this one you're going to select the private server. Configure here and make sure the allow joining is off so that it's not going to be available for people to join and it will be kind of disabled. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.